BabyBus.
Come and help me choose a ship. Dragon boat. Dragon boat. Add pretty decorations to the ship. Let's go, little captain. Hi! Kapten Kiki, here is a treasure map. Can you help me find the treasure chest? No problem. I'll find the treasure. Follow the treasure map and you'll find the treasure chest.
Whoa!
Treasure Island is right ahead. Keep going. This is the service station. Steer your ship inside and have it checked. There is peeling paint in the dragon boat, and the nails on it are also rusty. Take out the rusty nails and replace them with new ones. Then let's paint the dragon boat. Our ship has been repaired. Here is your reward. Yeah! You've got a piece of the ship. We are about to put all the pieces together. Keep collecting. The destination is right ahead. Let's keep going. Kapten Kiki, we failed to catch any fish. Can you help us? No problem. Help me find these fish. Help me find these fish. Here are fish for you. Thank you, Kapten Kiki. Here is your reward. Yeah! You've got a piece of the ship. We are about to put all the pieces together. Keep collecting. The destination is right ahead. Let's keep going. The sea fog here is thick. Be careful. There are so many bats. Let's get rid of them. inside the foggy area safely. Here is your reward. Please open it. Yeah! You've got a piece of the ship. We are about to put all the pieces together. Keep collecting. Treasure Island is right ahead. Keep going. Help! Help! Man overboard! Let's save them! Help! Help! Throw the right buoys to save them! Kapten Kiki, all our stuffs fell into the water. Can you help us find them? No problem. Let's get everyone's stuff back. It's rubbish. It's rubbish. We need to protect the marine environment and don't litter. Thank you, Kapten Kiki. Here is your reward. Please open it. Yeah! You've got a piece of the ship. We are about to put all the pieces together. Keep collecting. Keep sailing. Let's go. There is a storm. Be careful. Steer the ship to the nearest port. Watch out! The storm is getting stronger! The storm is even stronger! Let's speed up! Yeah! We are at the port! Tie the rope and secure the ship. You are safe from the storm. Here is your reward. Please open it. Yeah! You've got a piece of the ship. All pieces of the hovercraft have been collected. Treasure Island is right ahead. Keep going. Here comes the pirate. Let's defeat him.
I will get you. I will be back.
You have defeated the pirate. Great job. Here is your reward. Wow, you've got a sticker. Keep sailing. Let's go. The treasure is on that island. Let's go for it. The treasure chest is just there. Let's dig it out. Oh, the treasure chest is not here. Oh, the treasure chest is not here. Oh, the treasure chest is not here. Aha! We have found the treasure chest. Great job! Here is your reward. Wow! You've got many rewards. Awesome! The hovercraft is unlocked too.